Hello friends, welcome to my channel Auto Expert Sanjay. You are watching a package from an Amazon. I have ordered a celerio side mirror caps white color with an indicator. It's you are already seeing it. It is Alpine company branded mirror caps with indicator. I am ordered that white mirror caps with an indicator. That indicators blinks orange color. So the packing is well and good by an Amazon. So you are already seeing that it is a white color mirror cap with an indicator. Some good quality mirror caps. So please watch until the video ends, friends. Here one hole is there. I am pass the wire in that hole and bring out the wire from other side. You are seeing that I am bringing out this. I have made more struggle to 20 minutes. So this jugad calm abekandre you must calm mind and peace mind. So here I made one hole and send the wire in this packet. That is my aim is the wire should not watch on the other side outside ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು ವೈರ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಥರ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿರರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ apply a thinner or in a diesel. So it holds 3M tape perfectly and tightly. So how glossy the mirror is shining after applying a small amount of diesel to it. So wipe cleanly and calmly. You must have a patience to do such like works in your car. You have to take more patience. Calmly remove the 3M taping stickering. So keep on watching, friends, how I installed these mirror caps like an showroom. And my intention is the black wire is ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮಿರರ್ ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು, ವೈರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೇಪ್ನ ಅವಸರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ this is another side of mirror. I open the bottom of mirror and passed a wire in that space. Side mirror is completely fitted. Join these two wires in side mirror coupler. So the full calm is completed by joining the two wires in that coupler. Final look. You are watching that by installing this side mirror caps. Thanks for watching this video, friends.